This is Weller Hall. This is the entrance elevator that they added on. Side door tail. Oh. That takes way too long to level. I don't know that I might have put this in. I don't know. Very basic. Plain cab. Innovation Bruiser fixtures. Fixture you actually don't get to see very often. And I suppose we'll go up to one. Simplex system in here. Oh, you gotta press it again. Takes way too long to level up here, especially for how short distance this thing goes. There's 3 elevators in this place. That's it.